Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about an advanced watercolor technique called using lost and found edges to create interest. At first, this may sound like a difficult topic, but the idea is actually very simple. Once you understand it, you will notice that many beautiful watercolor paintings use this technique. First, let us understand what an edge is. An edge is the place where one shape meets another. Sometimes the edge is very sharp and clear. Sometimes it is soft and blurry. A found edge is one that is easy to because there is a clear difference between two shapes. A lost edge happens when two shapes have similar colors or values and they blend together. The edge almost disappears. Many beginners try to make every edge sharp because they want everything to be clear. But in real life, we do not see everything with the same clarity. Our eyes naturally focus on one area while other areas become softer. If every edge in a painting is equally sharp, the painting can look flat and busy. By allowing some edges to disappear and others to stand out, we create a more natural and interesting painting. Lost edges also create a sense of mystery. They invite the viewer to look a little longer and complete the picture in their own mind. This makes the painting more engaging. Instead of showing every detail, we allow the viewer participate in the artwork. Sometimes what we leave out is just as important as what we paint. So, how can we create lost edges? In watercolor, this is often done by painting wet into wet, allowing colors to softly blend together. Another way is by keeping two shapes very close in value so that they merge naturally. On the other hand, if we want to create a found edges, we use stronger values, contrast, or allow the paint to dry before adding the next shade. This creates a clean, sharp separation. Nature is full of lost and found edges. Early morning fog hides the edges of distant mountains. Reflection in water blends softly with the surface. Sunlight can make one side of an object sharp, while the shadow side melt into the background. If we observe nature carefully, we will see this technique everywhere. The next time you paint, don't ask yourself, how can I make every edge sharp? Instead ask, which edge should I lose? And which should I keep? This simple question can completely change the quality of your painting. To conclude, lost and found edges are not mistakes. They are meaningful design tools. They create depth, atmosphere, mystery, and help guide the viewer's eye. They remind us that successful painting is not about painting everything. It is about painting what matters most. Thank you and happy painting to all of you.